Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to layer here in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Adobe Express, layering refers to stacking and arranging elements like text, images, and graphics to create depth and organize your design. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or design that you're working. If you haven't already, you don't have to worry because you just have to go to the template section. You can browse thousands of amazing and inspiring designs to begin your work. But if you want to upload your own content and start from scratch, just click on this button. Now, I'm going to start my design with an empty canvas, and I'm going to upload my own personal file here. I'm going to click on upload. And then I'm going to add medias here by going to the left side panel of my dashboard. Go to the media. Maybe I'm going to select a video. Maybe this dog right here. Looks cute. One video here. Probably another video on this side, maybe, I don't know. For example, I'm going to put in this sweet couple, maybe that. Then another elements here. Say I wanted to put in design assets, right? I'm gonna put something like maybe a frame. For example, this. Or how about this one? I'm going to the adjustments. Right, and then after that, I'm going to add more here as a background. Going to the element section. Maybe choose a background, all right? Backgrounds. I'm going to be choosing this, all right? And then last element is going to be a text. Right here. My text is going to be this one for sure. I'm gonna drag this text right here, maybe just around here. I'm gonna use a different color for that, maybe white, and then the border color is gonna be something like a black one, and I'm gonna increase the thickness. Right now, going to put an animation from all of them. For example, this, going to put an animation like maybe flicker. This one is gonna be animation is around flicker as well. This one is animation is going to be around like now. Essentially, one element here corresponds to one layer, right? This one is one layer, this one is one layer, this one is third layer, and fourth and fifth and sixth, right? So how do I know that? Because if you go to this small button right here on the upper right corner, you would notice that there is a section that says layers. All right, so if you click that, this is going to be first layer, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. All right. So these are going to be the easiest way for you to layer them. You can stack all of them together. You can move and drag and drop right here. If you want the first one to be at the top, you can do that. If you want the top to be at the bottom, you can do that as well. If you click each layer by pressing the shift button, right, you would have an option here to group all of them together. You see, stack that. As you can see, you can group all the layers in one single unit. All right. So basically, that's how you use the layer sections or layer options here in Adobe Express. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.